Jason, Pete, Hollis Farms this morning. We had a pretty good rain shower late yesterday evening, right before the loggers left. They ended up having to leave, just come out with a pickup. They had a truck loaded and the big service truck and all in there, but it came up and it got slick. So I feel like he's probably in here this morning with the dozer, skimming the top off of this road to get it to where they can come in and out. Let's go see what they do, and hopefully ain't making too bad a mess, but let's go see what they do. Don't look just too bad right here, this hill. Of course, all the water run off of it. It's pretty hard. Coming here with the bulldozer, this thing might slick off and be alright. This sun come on out, it won't take long to dry out. Blading this thing off pretty good. Like today's a little wet and all. I think when it's done, we're gonna end up with the roads are gonna be better than they were before they got here. They just able to widen them out and get these trucks through. I think they're gonna be a lot easier to work with when we get done. Back at the speed shop. Speed shop for a minute. Got both cars ready. Now we got to decide what we're gonna do. Anyway, got to run to town, take care of a little rat killing, and then run back to the farm, check on the loggers. Don't think I'm gonna make it over to Mississippi today. Anyway, here we go. Alright, y'all, had to stop by the Dollar General to get a few drinks to stock in the toter home. It's hot. Alright, me and Beats loaded up, go check on these loggers. See how they are progressing. Alright, got one coming out. Packing back in pretty good. Alright, y'all, let's go see what the loggers is doing. Alright, y'all, so here's what they're doing now. We got some rain coming in and we got to cross them hills pretty bad. And the pulpwood mill had slowed down. They haven't sit in line several hours to get unloaded, so they are moving back up here. They're finna put them a new loading pad here. All this stuff is mostly chipping, sawing logs, so it won't be hardly any pulpwood here. Kind of hate to keep moving around, but we want to keep them rolling. There ain't no need in them sitting or whatever, and if it rains, this will be a lot easier place to work and quicker to dry out. Cutting a few trees in there now. The dozer's fixing to be here. We're fixing to make us a little road to come up in here, this loading path. Alright, while they working on the new loading pad, they building a little road in there to turn off and turn around and set up the loader. We're gonna run up here and I think they're loading a couple more trucks up here, then they'll move everything up here. Like they load one more load of hardwood before they get out of here. This is just all the little hardwood that was wrapped up in these pine thickets, getting it on out of there so we can replant. Little bitty stuff, but can't leave it. Got that little spot cleared back and clear cut today. They'll clean all this road up before we leave. Just trying to work with this weather and work with these mills. Be a mix pit. In the ground there. Y'all, I'm about to call it a day on this one while they're building their new loading pad. Maybe it won't get too much rain and they can keep working tomorrow. Y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us, Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers, hollisfarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.